In this video, I am share with you how to become successful in your life, and I'm very excited today because this is the video number 9. So, my friends, how to become successful in life? Do you know that most of the people want to be successful in his life, but only 5% of the people are actually they succeed in life, and rest of the 95% of the people are they never succeed in life. It all the people, all everybody want to be successful in his life, right? But only few people are achieve his dream. What is the reason behind that, right? The reason behind is that because there is some principle which the successful people apply, and the people who are not succeed in life, they ignore that principle. So what is the success principle? Success principle means that in nature, every in nature there is a principle, there is a science behind nature. If you do anything, that behind that there is a principle. If you want to go if you want to go one place to another, there is there behind that there is a principle. It means that you have to walk or you have to run to reach that destination. Like that, if you want to succeed in your life, there is a principle. You have follow some principle, you have follow some habits, you have follow some rules to achieve that goal. So now in this video we are discussing some points to how to become successful in his life. So first point I want to share with you that the follow the successful people track, because always remember that the success leave track. It means that anybody, if any person who become successful, they leave the track. It means that I will give you example that there is a big jungle, right? And one person cross that jungle, he leave the path, he leave the track. So other people also follow his track and they also cross the jungle, right, successfully. So like that, if you want to grow in your life, if you want to become the successful, so you have must follow the success paths which have already lived by the successful people, right? So I will give you one more example for your clarification. If you want to, climb on the Mount Everest, so already lots of people they climbed on the mountain and they leave the track. So now you don't need to discover new path for the climbing mountain, because there is a high risk that maybe there is a probability is very less to you can reach on the top. But if you follow the the path which already discovered by the people who already climbed on the Mount Everest before you, there is a more chances, more probability to climb on the mountain, right? Like that, if you want to become successful in your life, you have to follow the success rules, success path which is you know which is lived by the successful people. And that is the first one. And now second is that make try to spend time with the successful people. If you want to become successful, try to spend time with the successful, because there is a famous quotation that show me your friends and I tell your income. It means that it depend on your friends, your friend circle, how your friend, then you become like that. If your friend, it means that if your friend is poor, there is more probability that you also become poor in future. If your friend is the middle class, there is more probability that you also become middle class, right, average people in your life. And if your friend circle is that if your friend circle is poor, rich, there is a high probability that you also become rich in your life, right? So I give you one more example that for your better clarification. Suppose that on the railway platform, uh, too much crowd are there, they want to they want to mm, go in the train, right? And there are too much crowd. If you are standing on the gate, because lots of people they want to go go in the train. So if you also not if you also not go want to go inside the train, people you are force you to go inside the train, because you know most of the people are because the people are they want to go in train, right? So in opposite that, if people are people want to they are coming from the train and they want to come from the train, right? And if you want to go in that, if you want to go in the train, it is a probability that you will face little bit difficulty, and you there is a high chances that you never uh, go inside the train. Like that, if you want to become successful in your life, you have to spend you have to spend with the time spend the time with your successful people. So now the problem is that maybe you are, if you watching video, if you are watching this video, it means that you are not rich, right? So you are maybe average. So how we spend time with the rich people or successful people, right? Because they never they never, successful people never want to spend time with you. So the best way to read the books of successful people, because if you read the book of successful people, you, it means that you are spending time with him. Because if you read his book, you learn from his mistakes, learn from his success, right? So it is a a better chance to grow in your life, right? So must follow these two rules which I have told you. So I think this is enough for today's, and I hope you learn something new from this video. So we will meet in another video. So till now, be happy and thank you so much for watching this video.